Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I just wanted to do a short and easy tutorial that is friendly for beginners on how to make a Kirby plushie. This took me about an hour to sew and cut out, so it really doesn't take too long either. You can add accessories, different facial expressions, and poses if you insert cardboard and want to change the placement. Here's a list of everything you need. You can always add in a light blue for the small eye glint that is generally at the bottom of Kirby's eye, but I wanted to leave it out to simplify and reduce the materials. So this technically reflects the older model of Kirby. The pattern is for free from my DeviantArt. All of the links are available in the description. Cut everything out and make sure you add seam allowance as it isn't already added in the pattern itself. The Kirby I make in the video is made from a pattern scaled to an A4 piece of paper for reference. The first thing we need to do is to form a sphere. Take two of the four main body pieces and sew one side together. Repeat this with the other two. Fold them into a bowl shape with the tracing on the outside and begin sewing around the remaining open edge. Then, when you're nearly at the end, flip it the right way up and stuff it. Conceal the open end with an invisible stitch. Then, before we add the body pieces, on a side in the middle of two seams, use a backstitch to sew on the face pieces. Use a reference image to help and pins to help keep it in place. After that, take two of the arm pieces and sew around the rounded side, leaving the straight edge open. Repeat this with the remaining two. Stuff them both lightly and use the stuffing to fold in the raw edges. After that, pin these both in place in the middle of the two seams at the side and use an invisible stitch to join them both on. With the tracing facing up, take two of the feet side pieces and sew them around the curved edge. Take one of the bottom feet pieces and sew it onto the bottom of the sides after aligning the tracing. Once you are nearly at the end of the sewing line, flip this the right way up and stuff it generously. Conceal the open ends. Repeat this with the second foot. Then, after pinning them in place, use an invisible stitch to join them both on. Finally, using a single thread line, sew on the small carefully using a backstitch. And there you have it! That is how you make a simple Kirby plushie. Please leave a like or subscribe if you enjoyed the video and let me know what other plushies you'd like to see me make next. And while you're still here, you can check out my other videos. I upload new craft videos every single week, or at least I try to. Thanks for watching, bye!